Okay, we're going to check his spine here, see how it's moving. First thing we're going to do is check the hip joints and the sacroiliac joints. Those seem to be moving fine. Next, we're going to check his spine. He's a little over a year old, so we're going to check his spine. We're going to use the gentle activator on him. Okay, buddy, you're going to lie down here. There you go. Straight down there. There you go. One little adjustment there. Real gentle on babies. Helps to stimulate the nervous impulse, puts it into the spine, relaxes the muscles. Next, we're going to check his neck. Okay, we're going to turn over. Alright, here we go. Lie down on our back. Good. Okay. Come on back here. Alright. Again, we're checking out the neck tightness on both sides of this neck. He's a little tighter on one side, so we're going to do one little adjustment with one finger, real gentle. Good. One little finger adjustment there. Good. One little stretch. That'll help the neck move better, so when he grows up, he won't have any problems at all. As far as neuromuscular, and that'll be excellent for him. Okay, you're all finished. Come on up. Yay!